If you want to learn how to apply spatial blur in VLC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to blur video using VLC Media Player, and I'll show you how to adjust the effect so it looks just the way you want. This is a handy trick if you want to soften a clip, test the visual effect, or just learn more about VLC's built-in video tools. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the video you want to edit in VLC Media Player. You can do this by launching VLC and then dragging your video into the player, or by going to Media and opening the file from your computer. Once the video is loaded, make sure it's ready to play before moving to the next step. Now, look at the top menu bar and click Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Effects and Filters. This is where VLC keeps a lot of its built-in visual adjustment options, including video effects. When the Effects and Filters window opens, click the Video Effects tab. This tab gives you access to multiple video settings, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Advanced controls. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Here you'll find more detailed effect settings, including the Spatial Blur option. This is the setting that will let you apply a blur effect directly to the video. Now click the box next to Spatial Blur to turn it on. Once it's enabled, use the slider to adjust the blur level. Move it slowly so you can see how the effect changes. A small adjustment can make a big difference, so it's worth testing a few levels until you get the look you want. After you've set the blur the way you like it, click Save. Then go back and play the video to preview the effect in action. If needed, you can return to the slider and fine-tune the blur again until it looks right. And that's it. You've now applied spatial blur in VLC using just a few built-in settings. It's a simple process, but it can be really useful once you know where to find the option. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.